Welcome, dear viewers all over the world. This is Elijah the Black Tishba, the son of Prophet Jeremiah Elias. Child of God, I just want to review some prophetic mysteries, okay? You need to know the God whom you serve. If you know the God whom you serve, it is not possible for you as a believer visiting herbalist or visiting sangomas. I don't know if I'm speaking to a live person here. You need to know the God whom you serve. The Bible says, those who know their God shall do exploit. In another way, shall do mighty. You need to know the God whom you serve. Okay? I call him a mighty God. If you read from the book of Genesis 28, verses 3, the Bible describes him as a mighty God. If you read from the book of 1 John chapter 2, verses 1, I call him my advocate. If you go to the book of Hebrews chapter 13, verses 8, the Bible says Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, the same today, the same forever. Is the God who never change. I call him agape. If you read from the book of 1 John chapter 4, from verses 28, Child of God, you need to know the God whom you serve. I call him a powerful God. If you read from the book of Colossians chapter 2, verses 10, I call him Ancient of Days. When you read from the book of Revelation chapter 1, verses 8, is the beginning and the end. Is the Alpha and the Omega. I call him an awesome God. When we read from the book of Psalm chapter number 6, verses 35. Let me shock you, child of God. Jesus Christ broke the law of biology when he was born from a virgin. He broke the law of physics when he walked on the surface of water. He broke the law of chemistry when he turned water to wine. He broke the law of economic when he fed 5,000 people. He is God. He is a mighty God. Am I speaking to you? He broke the law of geography when he was appearing everywhere at the same time. He's a mighty God. You need to know the God whom you serve. Your life will never be the same again. You need to know the God whom you serve. If you know the God whom you serve, your life will never be the same again. Child of God, know the God whom you serve, and your life will never be the same again. The God whom we serve is the God who heals the sick. Is the God who lays the dead. Is the God who opens the eyes of the blind. Is a mighty God. Thank you so much for watching me. God bless you. Shalom, shalom.